What if one wall could completely change the feeling of your space? Not with paint, not with wallpaper, with natural Himalayan salt. Most homes are designed to look beautiful, but very few are designed to feel relaxing. After a long day, your space should help you slow down, not add to the noise. That's why more homeowners, spas, and wellness spaces are choosing Himalayan salt walls. Built using premium Himalayan salt bricks, they create a warm, inviting atmosphere with rich, natural textures and a soft amber glow when backlit. Whether it's a living room, spa, sauna, meditation room, or home wellness space, a salt wall instantly becomes the centerpiece of the room. Our Himalayan salt bricks are precision cut for easy installation, built to last, and crafted from 100% natural Himalayan salt. Every brick is carefully inspected before shipping, and if your order arrives broken or damaged, we'll replace it. 100% guaranteed. A salt wall isn't just another design feature, it's a space you'll actually enjoy spending time in. Build your own Himalayan salt wall with Pink Salt Wall.